Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to view all shared documents in a WhatsApp group. If you're part of a group and need to find files, reports, or any important documents, this guide will help you access everything quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure your app is updated so you can access the latest features. Once you've opened WhatsApp, the next step is to open the group where you want to view the shared docs. Now, once you're inside the group chat, tap the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group info page, where you can find all sorts of details about the group, like participants, notifications, and media shared within the group. Here's the key part. Under the section that says Media, Links, and Docs, you will find all the documents that have been shared in the group. This includes PDFs, Word files, spreadsheets, and any other file types that might have been uploaded. That's it. All shared docs will be listed here, and you can easily scroll through them, download, or view them whenever you need. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more WhatsApp tips and tutorials.